Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. We meet again in Science Year 2 on topic Mixture 8.1.1 Method to separate a mixture. Learning objective today, by end of the lesson, pupils will be able to describe methods to separate a mixture of various material or objects. Di akhir pembelajaran ini nanti, kamu dapat menerangkan kaedah-kaedah untuk mengasingkan sesuatu campuran bahan. The magic words for today are number 1, mixture, maksudnya campuran. 2, separate, mengasingkan, menyisihkan. 3, large size material, bahan bersaiz besar. Number 4, fine size material, bahan bersaiz halus. 5, solid materials, bahan pepejal. 6, liquid material, bahan cecair. 7, hand picking, menyisih. 8, sieving, mengayak. 9, floatation, mengapung. 10, magnetic attraction, tarikan magnet. And the last one, filtration, maksudnya menuras. What is mixture? A mixture contains 2 or more materials that are mixed together. Gabungan 2 atau lebih bahan yang bercampur. As you can see, these two pictures here, the example of mixture, a mixture of coins and a mixture of nuts. I want to ask you a question. Why do the materials in the mixtures need to be separated? Look at the dialogue here between these two girls. Wow, that's a lot. If it is separated like this, it is easier for me to count my money. So, the first reason is to separate the material according to their types. Next, look at this dialogue. Let us strain the tea first. The tea sediments is fully removed. Why we need to remove a tea sediments? Because to separate the useful components from the non-useful components. Maksudnya menyisihkan, membuang bahan yang tidak berguna daripada bahan yang kita nak guna. Then, look at this another dialogue here. First, sieve the flour. Then, the fine flour is separated. Why do we need to separate the fine flour from the flour? Because to separate the material that we want to use in a mixture. Now, look at this situation 1 between Kugan and Kanang. Kanang said, look at this mixture. It is a mixture of muruku and nuts. I like nuts. But Kugan said, I like muruku, but I do not like nuts. How would Kugan and Kanang separate the mixture of muruku and nuts? Kugan and Kanang can separate the mixture of muruku and nut using the hand picking method. Hand picking method. Why the hand picking method used to separate this mixture? It is because the nuts and muruku are large and have different shapes. So, we use hand picking method to separate 2 large size material. 2 size yang berbeza. Second, situation 2 between Kugan's brother and his mom. Mother, what do you want to do? I want to bake a birthday cake for father. Suddenly, his brother ate some raisins into the flour. Brother Dons, look, they are mixed. How can Kugan separate a mixture of resin and flours? Kugan separates a mixture of flour and resin using the sieving method. Sieving method. Why did Kugan choose this method? Because the sieving method can separate fine size material and large size material. Third, situation 3 at Kanang house. Kanang was surprised when he saw his paperclip box outside. Why is my paperclip box here? Your paperclips are mixed in with the sand, father said. How can Kanang separate his paperclip from the sand? Kanang can separate the mixture of paperclip and sand using a magnetic attraction. Magnetic attraction. Why did he use a magnet? It is because paperclips are the materials that attracted to magnet. So, we can use magnetic attraction to separate material that can be attracted to magnet from material that cannot be attracted to magnet. Example, sand and paperclip. Fourth, situation 4. Kanang's light goldfish. I can't wait to rear this goldfish. Oh, this old aquarium is so dirty. There is a lot of sand and wood debris inside. How can we separate a mixture of sand and decayed wood debris? We can use flotation method. Okay, we can use flotation method. First, how we do this method? Pour water and stir the mixture, kacau. And 2, separate and remove the wood debris. Okay, so we use flotation method to separate materials that can float from materials that sink. Last situation 5. This investigation needs a colored liquid from hibiscus petal. How do we produce this liquid? First, pound the hibiscus petals and dissolve them in water. Then filter them. And what we do next? First, take a filter paper and fold it. Put it into filter funnel. Then filter the mixture into a conical flask. Pieces of hibiscus petals will remain on the filter paper. Colored liquid will be collected in the conical flask. So, this filtration method is used to separate solid material from liquid material. Conclusion, a mixture can be separated using the hand-picking method, the sieving method, magnetic attraction, flotation method, and the filtration method. Task. Activity book, page 56. Why are these methods used to separate mixtures? Match the method with their explanation. Just do underline the picture with the correct explanation. Okay? Thank you for your participation. May a great day ahead. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.